Hey YouTube, it's Scott Dunnage Garage. How you doing today? Well, we have just finished up Overland Expo West and we are heading on the next part of the adventure. But so are the problems. Stay tuned. Yes, like I said, we are on the road. We're on our way to Lake Mead, but the problems are starting to follow us. We thought we had everything taken care of, but yeah, this happens.
Hey Scott, was that our turn back there for fuel?
Yeah, I think so. My Jeep was saying next turn. My phone was saying this turn. I got confused.
Well, my light just came on.
Yeah, my fuel light came on too, so hopefully we'll make it to the next exit.
Well, things got a little tense. We did make it to the gas station, barely. We made it to the campground late at night, and this is what we woke up to. This was absolutely amazing. We stopped here just so we'd have laundry facilities, but yeah, the laundry facilities didn't work. So, oh well.
All right, here we are, Lake Mead, Nevada. Let's get our all roads taken badge installed.
After a good evening's rest, it was time to get back on the road. The drive from Lake Mead to Hurricane, Utah gave us a new problem to work out. While driving in traffic in Las Vegas, I noticed I had no power in my 12-volt power port. I couldn't charge my phone, I couldn't charge my camera. Then, when we arrived at Hurricane, I learned that I didn't have power to my refrigerator. So it's time for some troubleshooting. What I found out is I had blown some fuses when I plugged in my power box. An easy fix while on the road. However, Matt also had some issues while setting up camp at Sand Hollow. When we arrived at Sand Hollow, this is the first thing we saw. Man, you've got one cool ride. After a short drive and picking up some supplies, we have arrived at Sand Hollow. It is surreal being here after seeing it so much on YouTube. Make sure if you're coming here, you pick up a trail flag. You can get them at the booth or the office when you first pull through. But make sure you have a flag for your Jeep or your vehicle. And I do have to say, this is probably the coolest camp spot I've had in quite a while. I mean, that is a neat view. Should have brought the paddleboards.
So what happened?
Pin came out of this, it goes to this gear, right in there. That gear goes through here. Since I broke this other side, this piece here, there should be a piece over here, but I busted that up. So the pin happened to drop right down, perfectly through the hole, straight down into the tube. So I got to pull it and dump it.
Now that we have the camper fixed and the fuses fixed in the Jeep, time to hit some trail. While the goal is always to have fun and enjoy the adventure, we have the added goal to not do all Matt's off-road stuff.
Alrighty, it's 88 degrees in Sand Hollow, Utah. We're in the OHV park on who knows what trail. We're just kind of out here. Bright and sunny out, but there are clouds out, and we're just out bouncing around having a good time.
Called it a day early due to some incoming weather and a need to do some laundry before we head out for the next part of our adventure. The storm passed through and we enjoyed a beautiful lakeside camp spot. And this was beautiful. And there's the Devos. That thing puts out some amazing light. Woke up the next morning, packed up, enjoyed our morning breakfast with this view. I mean, you can't get any better than this. And we started to head out. However, something happened.
Hey, we had a wonderful night in Sand Hollow. We're on our way to Zion right now, but on the way, we got a call. Yep, we got flagged down to help a couple that was stuck in the sand. Let's get them out. It's trying to pull the board underneath it.
This side isn't. It needs to be Go ahead and get in it.
Don't spin the tires, just slowly. Okay.
I wouldn't even spin them. I just put it in reverse and just leave it.
Yep. Here you go, Matt.
Okay. Slowly. Okay. Oh, that's good. Keep going.
Well, that was pretty straightforward recovery. Time to head to Maverick, get our snacks, get our fueled up, and get ready to hit the road.
All right, we just gassed up at the Maverick, got our victory snack. I think for me, it's gonna be the bacon burrito for breakfast. Washed out our mugs, fresh ice, fresh water. Let's head to Zion.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, life's an adventure, and we'll see you in the next episode.